Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's discuss on the control systems to analyze the role of control systems in the development and operation of autonomous vehicles. The impact of the control system on the autonomous vehicles. Intersection. The innovation is in automations, vehicles is in transforming and the transportation. Control systems plays a critical role in ensuring the safe and the efficient operations. This presentation explores an impact of control systems on the development and the deployment of the autonomous vehicles. For the basic driver assist the features to fully autonomous vehicles. The innovation has been driven by the advancements in the control systems. This slide highlights and key milestone in the development of autonomous driving technology. The key components of the control systems. Control system for the autonomous vehicles consists of sensors, actuators and computational algorithms. Each component plays a critical role in embedding the vehicles to perceive its environment and make the decision. Challenges in the control system design. Designing a control systems by autonomous vehicle poses challenges such as real-time processing, sensor fusion, adaptive decision making. Overcoming these challenges is essential for ensuring the safety, reliability of the autonomous vehicles. Safety and the reliability. The control system is critical for ensuring the safety and the reliability of autonomous vehicles. This slide examines the measures and technologies of employing to mitigate the risk of ensure the overall safety of autonomous driving. The integrated of AI and the control systems. The integration of an artificial intelligence with a control system which enables an autonomous vehicles to learn and adapt to the complex driving scenarios. This slide explores how AI ensures the capability of the control system in the autonomous vehicles. Regulatory and the ethical consideration. The development of autonomous vehicles raises and regulatory and the ethical consideration related to the control systems. This slides discuss and the need of the standards and the guidelines to ensure and responsibility and development and to use of the autonomous driving technology. Data security and privacy. Control system in the autonomous vehicles rely on vast amount of sensitive data. This slides addresses the importance of impact of focus security measures and safeguarding privacy in and content and the autonomous vehicle control systems. The urban mobility and the smart cities. The integration of the autonomous vehicles within smart city infrastructure relies on advancement of the control system. This slide highlights and role of control system in enabling the efficient and the sustainable urban mobility solutions. The future of the autonomous vehicles on the conditions and the continuous innovation in the control system. These slides explores an emerging and technologies and the advancements that will be shaped the next generation of the autonomous driving experience. The implications of the industry and the society. Despite the adoption of the control system vehicles which will be profound the replicants for the various industries and the society as a whole. This slide examines the potential economic, social and the environment impact of the control system in the autonomous driving. Conclusion. The control systems are the cornerstones of the innovations of the autonomous vehicles, which shaping the further of transportation as a technological continues to advancement. The impact of the control system will be and realizing the full potential of the autonomous driving. Thank you.